Which is the army of China? PLA is the army of China, right? Wrong. China as a country has nothing. PLA is the army of the Chinese Communist Party. In China, given its unique structure, the country is owned by the party. Everything belongs to the Communist Party. The person whom you look at as President of China is not President of China. He is the President of the Chinese Communist Party. Right? In China, the party comes first. The party comes first. You're looking at a one-party democracy. What democracy, I don't know. Because people can't vote. People don't vote. Ordinary people, they don't vote. The party leaders vote and they choose who would be the next corrupt person to lead them. It's not about common people. Right? That's the structure I'm looking at in China. And some idiots in India, they wanted to replicate that model here in India. The Maoists. Really? That's democracy? It's practically a race of who can be the most ruthless and most corrupt to be the leader. I don't know whether you've seen this video or not. Last year, I think, there was a conference of Chinese Communist Party going on. The present president is ordering the previous president to be removed from the conference. The security people came, took the previous president, threw him out. What a unique country that is. Anyway.